welcome to this edition of Tip Time Thursday, and today we're going to talk about cleaning the refrigerator, just a quick refresh cleaning. Now, obviously, if you're moving out of a house, you can totally unplug the refrigerator, empty it out, take all the pieces. Most refrigerators totally come apart these days, so you can take out all the pieces and clean them in the kitchen sink and totally disinfect the whole refrigerator. But when you're not moving out and you're just doing a quick cleaning at home, you have to clean around food. So what I like to do is clean section by section, shelf by shelf, and that way you don't have to have food sitting out, getting spoiled. And I like to clean with, again, white vinegar. I know you're getting sick of hearing about it, but it's really inexpensive. It's a natural deodorizer which works great in the refrigerator, and it cleans glass without leaving streaks or marks. It's a really good cleaner. You just dilute it with some water, spray it on, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit my website. Thanks. Bye.